Stunning. Stank, nasty, glueless. Glueless. Glueless.
You and I know you about that life.
My good people out there. Hello, my good people out there. Would you believe me if I told you I'm recording this now for the third time? Welcome back to my video. I am your girl, Intisar, Eleanor. I am here with a new unit from Nadula Hair. Be confident, be bold, be you. So I'm coming on in. I done lost 3 nails. No, I didn't put them on yet, which I don't know why I wouldn't stop and put them on, but that's not the point. I'm coming through with the unit, okay? This is a Jerry curl unit. I'm going to just throw her right up on my head because I need y'all to see this, okay? I've done this 3 times, so I've had a surprise reaction 3 times before this, so I'm sorry I can't give it to you now. But look at this. Are you looking at it, Pud? Look at it. Look at it, Puddin'. We are coming through with a Jerry curl unit from Nadula Hair. I'm super excited about this unit. She is absolutely beautiful. I'm hoping that if we co-wash her, which I'm going to do in a second, that we're able to kind of, wear her glueless, no problem, soften up the curls a bit, and get this together. So I'm saying all that to say, Nadula Hair so graciously provided us with this beautiful wig bag, okay, along with the purchase. This robe, branded Nadula. Okay, get into it. She got the Nadula lace band. I love all things branded down to the socks, as well as 2 wig caps. We have an extra lace band, which you can never get enough of these, and that's just the truth.
That's hilarious, babe.
That's my husband. Sorry, y'all. Eyelashes and brushes. Okay. Unit is absolutely stunning. I'm just going to pull her off. Look at this, though. Look at this. I'm literally going to make this the most easy install ever because I believe it can be. Okay? And I'm fresh off of skincare. That's why I'm all extra shiny, looking like a glazed Mimi Tapping donut. Hot and ready. Okay? Let me show you guys the inside of this unit. This is a 13x4 lace Jerry curl unit. I have her in 22 inches. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, what kind of forever, okay? And this unit is really, really beautiful. We're going to get into her. The lace already looks a bit tinted to me. I'm obviously going to go in and do a little bit, but I'm going to do that after I co-wash, let her dry a bit or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to co-wash. I'm going to go into the bathroom. I'll take my camera and show you guys the products and everything that I'm using and just my technique. And then we'll go on in and get this unit together. I'll come back with a beat face. Okay, just so you guys know, because I didn't say this, watch out for Nadula's wig sale. It's going to be massive, okay? And this unit at 24 inches is going for $211. $211. What's that? 52.25? 4 payments of $52.25? Hell, I just used Afterpay the other day. Okay, because I like to keep my coins. My bank account got to look a certain way. I don't give a damn. All right, so, but I be needing what I need. So I'm going to go on through, wet this mama on up. I just want to co-wash. I kind of want to bring those curls to life. To the touch, they don't feel bad at all. It feels really nice, but I know with a little hydration, they can feel better. So give me a sec. I'm going to see you on the other side, okay? Wait. Okay, so we've gone on through using our Aussie conditioner in silicone, okay? Just went through with a little bit of silicone just to kind of soften up the curls here. Can you guys see the difference? Really, really beautiful. I'm just going to chop the lace off and throw her on. The unit did, while I was washing her, shed quite a bit. This is a curly unit. I usually attribute it to the fact that it's just a curly unit. So we're going to see what she's looking like after this wash on her head. However, let me say this. The way that the curls feel now, post this co-wash, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And we're just going to see what she's working with. Okay, so I'm back. This is the unit. This Jerry Curl unit is completely glueless. Like completely glueless. She took me no time to get together. All I did was add a little bit of heat to the top. Look at the lace. Look at that. Okay, so this looks absolutely positively stunning. Do you see that? Beautiful. Okay, so we're back. We're back with this unit from Nadula Hair. This is that Jerry Curl unit. I am into this. I'm into this. I think the curl pattern is absolutely stunning. Let me turn around so you guys get the full look. Can you guys see that? Stunning. Stank, nasty, glueless. Glueless, okay? So no glue here. We just threw her up on, co-washed her. One of the greatest things I did was actually co-wash her. That's something that I'm going to start cycling into these curly units. Look at how big and sexy and fluffy she is. This unit is $200. This unit is less than $225. This unit in the back is less than $250. I don't think that I could say any more to make you go get this unit. She's affordable. She's stunning. She did shed. My only con on this unit was that especially when I was washing her and getting her together and co-washing her, quite a bit of shedding. Quite a bit. This is just what's in the brush right now. But my tub, quite a bit of shedding. That quite literally is the only con. Other than that, do I think it's worth $200? I think she feels beautiful. I think she is beautiful. I think she's worth it. I think she's worth it. I think that, like, I'm really into this. I tried to wear her up in the front so we can get that look back again. But the truth of the matter is, yeah, maybe I'll add a little bit of mousse and kind of zhuzh the curl pattern. But I like it. I'm not going to pretend like I don't like it. I think this unit is stunning. I think that she is low maintenance. I think that she did not require a lot. The lace was impeccably done and pre-plucked and beautiful and tinted, even mildly tinted. So I didn't have a lot to do. I did use a little bit of my Ibn lace tint, but when I mean it was very little, like just to give her a little bit of color. So I felt a little bit better about it. Done and dusted. Done and dusted. This unit is beautiful. I'm feeling like Diana Ross in her prime. I'm feeling like 70s love, sex, and magic. Y'all know that's my Mamie Tintin era. I feel like I belong, honey. Belong. Okay? I love this. I love this. What do you guys think? What do you think? Are you in the market for? We're moving into the summer months, so it's getting really exciting. We're about to get out outside. We're wearing less and we're going out more. And Nadula Hair got the solution for ya. So let me tell you something. Bust down. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Take a look at what Nadula Hair has to provide, okay? Okay. I'm going to let Past Me wrap this video up in about a second or two. But I wanted to come on back here with the Shea Moisture Mousse and get this unit together, okay? I wanted to give y'all a little bit of soul glow, okay? While we get this Jerry Curl unit together. Now, Nadula Hair came through with this unit. She's very, very affordable, but I already told you that, okay? This unit wet down with a little bit of Shea Moisture Mousse is looking like she's coming out of, 1976, giving big breasts, legs, thighs, okay? And a side of ass, all right? She is giving thick than a snack, all right? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Now I'm going to shut my Mamie Tintin mouth. Let's finish this review and give future me, okay, or past me, the respect she deserves. Their website is going to be on fire if they are moving into sale season, honey. Make sure you bust down into the description box. Check the link. Search and find whatever unit is looking like something for you. Okay, so it's a little bit later. I'm going out to run some errands, but I wanted to throw my hair up in a ponytail, show you guys just how versatile this unit is. wear these units up, and I never like the way it looks in the back sometimes, because sometimes the back is exposed. She feels like she's laying pretty flat. All right. She's looking natural and sexy. And I like it. Somebody else might not like this, but I really, really do like this. I'm going to put in a little clip of me with the mousse all in my hair so you guys can see I'm using the Shea Moisture Mousse. I'll put that in and then we can go. I'll see you on the other side. Okay? Bye.